Stop buying expensive glass. Why Nikon's 50mm f1.8G changes the game.
Ever stared at your photos wondering why they look flat, lifeless, like everyone else's snapshots? You're not alone. That expensive camera sitting on your shelf promised magic, but delivers mediocrity. Your kit lens feels like it's fighting against your creativity. Drop a yes below if you felt that crushing moment when your photo doesn't match your vision. Something needs to change.
Missing those perfect moments because your gear can't handle low light? Watching other photographers nail shots while you're fumbling with settings? The stress of delivering bland results when you know you're capable of more. Imagine if one simple switch could unlock the potential you've been chasing without breaking the bank or adding complicated equipment. What if the solution already exists?
Enter the Nikon 50mm f1.8G, the lens that transformed thousands of frustrated photographers into confident creators. That lightning-fast f1.8 aperture devours darkness, turning impossible indoor shots into gallery-worthy captures. Its silent wave motor whispers into focus while others click and grind. One wedding photographer captured the bride's tear perfectly in candlelight. No flash, no noise, just pure emotion frozen in time. The aspherical element crushes distortion, while 7 rounded blades paint backgrounds into creamy dreamscapes. Feel that satisfying click as it locks onto your camera, weighing almost nothing, yet delivering everything. Professional sharpness emerges even wide open, rivaling glass costing 5 times more. Here's the secret pros won't tell you. Stop down to f.2.8 and watch corner-to-corner perfection emerge. That 50mm focal length mirrors human vision, making composition instinctive rather than calculated. Keep reading for the one setting that unlocks its hidden superpower, the trick that separates amateurs from artists instantly.
Watch efficiency soar as autofocus locks instantly, even in near darkness where others hunt desperately. Focus becomes meditation, not frustration. Performance peaks when pressure mounts. One YouTube creator reported, "This lens saved my channel when I couldn't afford lights." Professional reviewers consistently crown it best value in photography, while wedding shooters trust it for once-in-a-lifetime moments. Portrait photographers discovered something unexpected. Clients specifically request that dreamy look this lens creates. Street photographers vanish into crowds with its compact stealth. Sharpness that rivals $1,500 alternatives, writes one stunned analyst who tested dozens. That manual override feels telepathic. Twist for perfection without switching modes. Video creators found their secret weapon: smooth, silent focus pulls that scream production value. Which feature would revolutionize your workflow? The low-light mastery or that butter-smooth bokeh? Comment your biggest photography frustration below. Real users report selling entire collections after this one purchase. "My expensive zooms collect dust now," admits one pro with 5,000 sessions logged. The reviews speak volumes, but your images will speak louder.
Limited availability as demand surges. Photographers are hoarding multiples as backups. Join 10,000 plus creators who've already transformed their photography this month alone. Professional results don't require professional prices anymore. Don't let another perfect shot slip away in darkness. Your creative breakthrough costs less than a memory card collection. Click now to unlock the manual focus technique that makes everything sharper. The PDF guide disappears in 24 hours. Secure yours today before the price inevitably rises. Stop watching others create magic. Become the magician yourself.